everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a wig review on a purchase I made on Diva-Tress, and I need to give a little wig confession. Usually when I buy my synthetic wigs, I usually go to the sale or the clearance site first just to see what's there. Now usually there are discontinued brands or styles in very limited quantity, but I did stumble upon one from Bobbi Boss. The one we're going to be reviewing today is Tatiana, and I'm a sucker for a body wave. I think she's an absolutely beautiful unit, and I'm going to get her out of the box for the first time right now. She is so beautiful. So I purchased her in a 1B53, so that's an off black, and my hair is normally an off black with the medium gray. Now a few details on her. She's a 13x4 free parting wig. She also withstands good heating temperature, so you can use your heating appliances on her. That's always great to know. It's so soft to the touch. Can't wait to get her on. I'm not sure if she's a 20, 22, 24. I think she's falling somewhere in that range, but we're going to get her on and see in just a moment. The lace is light brown. Inside, nice, breathable, bendable mesh on the inside. We do have the combs. And this is great. So you're getting 3 up in the front. Usually I only get 2, but getting the 3 and the adjustable band in the back. here is the finished look with Tatiana. So I did her in that center part so we can take advantage of that parting space, and then we went on ahead and did a side part, which I prefer, and just to get that nice side sweep here, and she managed just beautifully. Guys, I love the dark roots on this, and I love the way the silver frames, or the gray frames my face. Really beautiful. She feels so light, and the hair is so soft, and she's just gorgeous. And so guys, as I had mentioned earlier, I purchased mine on Diva Tress, but she's available in a lot of different places, so please check her out. She comes in some beautiful colors, but please, Tatiana is coming highly recommended, and I hope you enjoyed that quick video. And guys, thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time.